What happens when powerful positions are filled not by merit, but by hidden hands? Prime Minister Marape just launched an inquiry into the heart of our public service, and what he's uncovering might shake the entire system. Prime Minister James Marape has initiated a formal inquiry into how senior public servants are being selected and appointed. Concerns have surfaced about personal interests, political interference, and breaches of merit-based recruitment in recent high-level appointments, including the Correctional Services Commissioner and Health Secretary roles. The inquiry, ordered by the National Executive Council and Minister for Public Service, began with interviews involving Department of Personnel Management Secretary Tayez Sansan and the Public Service Commission. Marape made it clear, this is about restoring integrity where the system has broken down. Let's go deeper. Public service in PNG is supposed to be built on merit, qualifications, performance, and integrity. But if political interference and personal biases are creeping into top appointments, then the foundation itself is at risk. This inquiry is more than a procedural checkup. It's an investigation into whether trust in our public institutions is being quietly eroded. Consider this: the people appointed today will influence national decisions tomorrow. If those appointments are manipulated, so too is the future of our hospitals, prisons, schools, and economy. The fact that even correctional services and health, two highly sensitive sectors, are under scrutiny shows just how deep this issue may run. This inquiry is not just about individuals. It's about how power is being used, or misused, in Papua New Guinea. Do you believe appointments in our public service are truly based on merit? Should politicians have any say in selecting top bureaucrats? How can we design a system that's immune to manipulation and favoritism? And most importantly, what happens to a country when leadership is chosen for loyalty over competency? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We read and value every voice. Prime Minister Marape's move to launch this inquiry is a bold one and a necessary one. But inquiries alone are not enough. Will the results lead to reform, or will they be quietly buried like so many reports before it? If Papua New Guinea wants to move forward, we must move away from the idea that leadership is a reward for loyalty. Instead, it must be a responsibility earned through merit, experience, and service. This is the moment for truth and accountability, not just from the government, but from every citizen who demands better. When systems break down, it's easy to point fingers, but real change begins when we take responsibility for what we tolerate. You may not sit in Parliament or lead a department, but your voice, your vote, your vigilance, they matter. Let this inquiry remind us that transparency isn't a luxury. It's a lifeline for any nation that wants to rise. And let every young Papua New Guinean see this as a call to rise not through connections, but through character. True, leadership is earned, not gifted. Thank you for joining us today. At Kepcha Motivation, we believe in transforming everyday moments into purposeful narratives to elevate your perspective. If you found value in this video, please like and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more transformative content.